circle shape, and you can reduce the light here if you put. What's up? I'm Carl.
I'm Sean.
And he is. Come here. Sit down here. And he is Clarky. And today we're going to unbox this gigantic ring light. It's so big. I can't even. There, it's so big. And we have also the stand. So let's start. Okay guys, so the first one we're going to unbox is the ring light. So let's throw this away. Woo! And so let's start with the ring light. So let's open this up. Guys, help me. Thanks for helping. Let's oh wait, this upside down. Okay. Whoa! Guys, it's so big. Oh, okay, we have a bag. Let's put it out. We have a black bag right here.
It's so heavy.
So let's throw this. Throw it away. Throw. Okay, so what here's inside the box? We have the big bag. So let's open the zip.
Whoa!
Okay, guys. So wait, guys. Wait. So the inside we have some materials here for the ring light, and we have the main item, the ring light. So this is the light, and it's a ring. As you can see, it's a circle shape, and you can reduce the light here if you put the battery on, and some of these stands. So yeah, that's the first one we did. The ring light. Now we're going to do the stand.
Let's open it.
So let's go! Okay guys, so before we start, you guys need to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified. So we'll give you time to subscribe and like in 5,
2,
4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys like and subscribe?
That's
if
our
you did,
powers.
congratulations, you're part of our channel. So here is the next one. So let's open this up. Oh, this thing's so long. Ooh. Okay. Okay, throw it away. Throw. Okay, so we throw that box. So we have the gigantic.
Can I say those
Gigantic stand. So here's the tripod. We can extend this bigger. So yeah, there. You can extend how big you want. And yeah, so let's assemble this by using some help from our parents. So let's introduce first our
Dad!
Our dad in 3, 2, 1. He's coming to you. Ready? Oh, he's here. Hello. Woo! Second assistant or parents we have is our
Mom!
Come, let's assemble.
Mommy! So we're gonna assemble this with the whole family. So let's go.
Hello, Mama.
So first, we put up the stand.
Okay, guys, we have this stuff here already. Let's put this aside.
I don't
Be careful with that one, ha? Oh, dito kayo.
Here, guys. Sit down, guys. We have the stand. We can make this longer. We can extend it. So yeah, we have this one.
Wait.
Tighten it up.
Slowly, guys.
We're gonna go this later on. We're gonna go on the ring light later.
Yeet.
This one, we're done.
Okay.
There go. First one assembled.
So this is my height.
This is your light.
So, how tall you are?
Wait.
Guys, comment down below if you guys have a ring light before, or what kind of light you guys use for making vlogs. So it looks like we have a ring light already. So next one we have ring light.
Go down there.
Big one.
Just put up the stand.
So fat.
Put up this.
This is my height. I need to do my height. I do my height.
Look how big is that, guys. So we're gonna assemble that.
Wait, you need to be careful.
Yeah.
There, guys.
Oh no.
Yes. There we go.
I think you need to remove the, in the ano kuya.
What's this remote for?
No, Mommy?
Daddy, what's this remote for?
Ano, ring
Okay,
light.
guys. There it is. Wait, don't touch it, don't touch it. Hey guys, we're going to go with the other
Wait, help me. Help me.
pieces later on.
Dali, ayos natin maayos kasi
There we go, guys.
hold it ah. Hold it mo na dito pala.
Okay, I'm holding it.
This my
Okay, guys, this thing is a
Hey.
big thing. Okay, guys, so here we are. We just go a little bit far so that you guys can see properly. What is that? Put it there.
Is there a manual kuya inside?
limbo.
Earlier. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're making progress right now.
Oh, you go.
Oh wait, we didn't saw this. Guys, we didn't even saw this. There's even a battery included inside.
Yeah, for the remote.
Boy, don't do like
Battery
this.
and
Do like
For
this.
remote, guys, we have a remote. Here, we're gonna talk about this later on. So, okay, guys. So you guys are wondering what are they doing? They're just trying to check first on how to assemble it because there's no manual included in the box. So yeah. So we're just assembling it. We're trying to assemble. Try to check the box properly. Okay, where does this one go? Guys, this thing is so tall. It's more taller than all of us. It's probably a 6-footer. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see, but there, that's how tall it is. Oh,
Give me that.
Ding, ding, ding.
hey guys, as you can see, we're having a hard time putting it on. So yeah, guys, we can see over there, guys, on the top. We can put 3 cell phones, which is actually good. Those people that really want to do TikTok and stuff. Those people like to do
Oh, no, that's fine.
TikTok, Instagram, stuff like that. They can use this one.
That's fine.
But we mostly use this for just light, for vlogging. So we're gonna test this out later on, and we're gonna show you the other stuff like the remote and yeah, there's a lot more. So let's show you when this is already assembled, or we're gonna keep you updated. So let's go. Okay, guys. So while they're doing that, we're going to play a game called Limbo. So let's begin. I don't know if you guys can see them. Let's do it properly. There you go. That's a little bit good. Let's begin. Okay, that's a regular size. Let's go a little bit down. Whoa! Okay, let's go down a little.
Alright,
Guys,
give me that.
Go, go, go. Go, go. Oh, he didn't. Oh!
oh, guys.
Okay, let's go a little bit lower. Guys, it's going to be hard. Oh, Shan. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's going a little bit lower, guys. Shan.
I didn't
Oh, okay. You guys can bend now. You guys can bend now. Oh, guys, this is a little bit hard. You cannot go jump over it. You cannot. You're not allowed. You have to get down. No touching the floor, okay?
Okay.
No touching floor.
One eternity later.
Okay, guys! So it's been 1 year later. Actually, not joking. It's actually 1 year. Look, our hair has been grown.
You've grown taller.
Yeah, I've grown taller, I guess. But now we're going to show you the ring light. Because we lost the footage. The other one was corrupted, so we cannot find it. So, okay, guys. So here's the remote. Let's press on. I don't know what will happen. Let's see.
Don't look.
What will happen if I press on?
Yeah, don't look.
Oh, wait, it's here.
Ow!
And turn it off and on.
Ow!
So that's what's cool. you guys don't want to use this because it might be complicated for you, you could use manual. I prefer because it's more faster. So on and off. And then this right here, on your perspective is left, on mine is right. This right here is the brightness. The more you put in the right, or your guys in the right, the more you put in the right, it's bright. The more you put in the left, it's gonna turn off or just like, you know, lower down. So this is, I call it sunset mode because it's like a sunset theme. And then next we have like a sun mode, you know, it's a regular color, bright and white. This is original, by the way. This is the original color of any, like if you guys have a ring light, this is basically like the original color, is the white one. And then we have a nighttime mode, which is blue because it's cool, you know. This is actually so cool. I like this type of color. It's blue with white, and we can also make it brighter. I would say this is not the brightest one. I would say the white one is bright.
The white one is bright.
So yeah, what's cool about this is that you have a remote and some buttons here, or like the scroll one. So if you lost the remote, you still have this one, which is so cool. And then this one here, which like a lot of TikTok users use, they put their phone right here and then they do their TikTok. So cool. Plus there's also a ring light included. There's also 3 phones here. So you could live stream, I guess. You could put your live stream here, and then your camera here, and then the chat is here, so you can live stream.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one, it's been 1 year I have used this, so
Yeah, 1 year.
I forgot. But
That's a real mode, guys.
I'm gonna learn.
That's a
this
remote.
one. Oh, this one is this the
Ow.
right one.
Ow,
This
my
CT is like
eyes.
another color, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, another color.
And then the minus CT, the CT minus is the
Blue?
sunset mode. Like it goes to the sunset, and then this one goes to the
Normal.
to the blue one.
Ooh, that looks cool.
So yeah, guys. Also other stuff, but I forgot how to use them. But and also, guys, the model is this one.
The model here.
We have the old one. That's the one you showed, the previous one.
Yeah. So this model is the SLP G63 ring light. I would really recommend this. Actually helpful for any type of situation, for like YouTube or something,
There's nothing.
and recording a video. I really recommend this. So go get your own. I mean, if you guys can afford this, you can afford a normal ring light, which is good.
Normal
It's money friendly, you know. It's friendly for your wallet, you know. So normal ring light. We're not telling you to buy this. We're just telling that if you're trying to grow a channel, you could use a ring light to make your YouTube channel more quality. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. It's been 1 year. We record this. So
I can't press this, but it's a light close or open or close.
Okay. Okay, tell them how to close and open.
use the.
Teach him.
No, use the scroll. Yeah.
This one.
That's manual. Close and open.
Yeah.
Okay, let Clarky to close.
Open this like this. Yeah.
Wow, that's good, Clark.
Okay guys, so please like and subscribe and share for families and friends to get notified in our vlog. We hope that you like and subscribe and watch out for other new videos that we're gonna post today. Guys, I didn't watch your TV, but it's not working. That was not.
He's thinking it's a TV and he's using remote.
And
Okay.
guys, and the new video, it will be the dominoes.
No spoilers.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna know.
Okay. So yeah, guys. And yeah, peace.